Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. So first thing you can try, just close your app and just reopen it again. So this is the first thing you can try. Another thing you can try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general you need to scroll down. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you need to go to the general again. In the settings, just scroll down to find here reset and just choose reset network settings. So just submit resetting network settings. So, and if you still have this issue, so you can also try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general, and in the general you need to find software update. Just tap on it, and now if you have here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. So just tap on download and install. And also you can try to check updates for your Instagram app. So just tap in search tab, go to search tab and just write in search tab Instagram, and just if you see here not open but update, just tap on update, so it will successfully update your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.